The National Weather Service in CARIBOU, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern AROOSTOOK County and northern Maine. This includes the city of Portage until 2 o'clock p.m. and 1:14 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 18 miles north of Portage, or near Eagle Lake, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include